All right, right from the jump, the judge sounds like she recognizes this defendant. That I feel like you've been here before line? That's not just casual talk, that's courtroom déjà vu. When a judge remembers your face, it usually means things didn't go too smoothly last time. Let's see how this plays out.
Good morning, ma'am. You're Diamond Ollie. And Miss Ollie, this is your initial appearance. I feel like you've been here before, right? Or no? I'm sorry? Okay. Give me just a second. It says initial, but I feel like...
This charge might sound routine, but don't be fooled. Asterisk injury to a child, elderly, or disabled individual asterisk is one of the most serious state jail felonies in Texas. Even minor injuries can lead to years behind bars. You can practically feel the courtroom's energy shift the second the judge says it.
Did you just bond out? No? So have you already been here and I told you to go hire a lawyer and all that? You haven't done that either. Okay. All right. So I guess this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 0532. You're charged with the state jail felony offense of injury to a child, elderly, or disabled individual. And that's from...
Right, there is the judge's polite way of saying, asterisk, don't test me. Asterisk, if you skip out on finding a lawyer or ignore her orders, she can revoke your bond and send you straight back to jail. What do you think? Fair warning, or is she laying it on thick?
February 1st of 2025. Since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? All right, so what I'm going to do, Miss Ollie, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. Bring me back the names of the lawyers that you've talked to so I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following the court order, and you would have to go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Krishara Bennett. Okay, I knew that sounded familiar. All right, are you Krishara Bennett? And Ms. Bennett, this is your initial appearance in cause number 25 DCCR 0062. You're charged with the 3rd-degree felony offense of credit or debit card abuse, and that's from November 14th of 2024. And since you've made bond in your case, have you had an opportunity to try to hire a lawyer? All right, so what I'm going to do, Ms. Bennett, is reset your case about 30 days to give you some time to try to hire someone. If you get someone hired before the next court date, just bring the reset notice that you get today to that lawyer. They'll tell you what to do. If you're unable to hire someone before the next court date, then I'm ordering you to visit with at least 3 lawyers. They all charge different amounts. They have different payment plans. I know you've heard this before, but...
Next up, Derek Mouton. Now, this guy actually asterisk did his homework star. He's got a list of lawyers like he's doing speed dating for legal defense. Judges asterisk love asterisk seeing effort like this. It shows responsibility, and that can earn serious brownie points later in court.
Nobody can ever say I didn't tell everybody. Bring me back those names so that I know you're trying, and then we'll discuss your options. If you don't do that, then when you come back, you run the risk of me raising your bond for not following that court order, and you would go back to jail. Do you understand? All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you your reset notice. Got lots of initials today. Derek Mouton. Good morning, sir. You're Derek Mouton?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you get someone hired, Mr. Mouton? Okay. Did you talk to some lawyers?
Yes, ma'am. I talked to you.
Who'd you talk to?
I talked to Mr. Jones. I talked to Ms. Brittany. I talked to Mr. Kevin Lane. And also I talked to Sean Sanders.
Okay. And so where are you going to be able to get someone hired, you think?
Well, I kind of already have an idea who I want to go with. It's just a matter of me just setting up just to be able to pick one.
All right, which one do you think?
I'm gonna go with Miss Brittany Holmes.
Okay. All right, well, thank you for doing what I asked, Mr. Mouton. I'll reset your case about 30 days to give you some more time to try to get Ms. Holmes hired. If you get her hired between now and that next court date, bring that reset notice to her. If for some reason that's not going to work out, talk to some others. You can see that they all have different plans and payments and things like that. All right, step in front of the clerk. She'll give you a reset notice. Elisa Riley.
Okay, now we're shifting gears. This isn't just another hearing. This is asterisk sentencing star. The stakes are real now. And when you hear words like obstruction or retaliation, that's felony level stuff, usually tied to threatening or intimidating witnesses. This is where the courtroom gets heavy.
Good morning. You're Elisa Riley? Elisha? Okay. And Mr. Riley, did you get someone hired? Speak up, please.
I said I talked to a couple people, but I ain't getting nobody hired.
Who'd you talk to?
Burbank, Macon.
Mr. Riley, if I test you this morning, you gonna have anything in your system?
No.
Have a seat in the jury box.
That's the double-edged sword of probation. Freedom with conditions. You get a chance to walk free, but the weight of that 10-year sentence hangs over you like a shadow. One mistake, and it's gone. Makes you wonder, is probation really a second chance, or just a slower sentence?
I'm gonna check here. Have you tested first? Mr. Parker, Timothy Horace, sentencing. Good morning, sir. You're Timothy Horace. And Mr. Horace was previously in court, entered a plea of guilty to obstruction or retaliation. I've received that pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review the report?
Yes, Your Honor.
Any additions or corrections?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Horace, I'm going to find that you previously entered your plea of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time follow the agreement. Find you guilty of obstruction or retaliation. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 10 years in the Institutional Division of the Texas Department of Corrections, but I'm going to suspend that, place you on probation for 5 years. You're ordered to pay a $500 fine and to follow all of the rules and conditions of probation. And if you do all of that, then for all practical purposes, your case here in court is over, and you'll be able to serve that 10-year sentence while you're on probation. The other side of that, though, is if you violate any condition of probation, you can be brought back into court, your probation revoked, and you could be facing that 10-year sentence that you've agreed to. Do you understand? I'm handing you the trial court certification that shows this was an agreement that I followed, and so you've waived your right to appeal. I also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgment entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read that written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition, or about how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. Parker. You just need to have a seat here in the courtroom. Probation's going to call you up when she's ready to go over your paperwork. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you, Judge.
Do you have anything else?
Nope.
All right. Be
More
careful.
nervous than being a judge.
I know. Be careful.
Let us know.
She's on her way right now. Like we're all like, oh. Let's see. Darius Sparks.